Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Bitcoin. Well, there's a lot we need to talk about, all right? Because we again had a lot of volatility, which was bullish, which means that I was wrong because my bias overall on Bitcoin has been bearish. Yesterday we did talk about that Bitcoin was looking pretty bullish because it was also respecting those. It was respecting those EMAs, but then after retracing, it instantly went back, and just in general, Bitcoin looked pretty strong. All right, kind of the same as what happened after the 12th of September. Then it was also strong for about a week, and then afterwards it dropped down. But the same happened. Found some resistance at that major resistance level around 27,500 and 27,300. And now this is the situation. We are around 27,000. We have some strong resistance above us, and then we have some decent support around 26,900 and 26,800 below us. So the main question is well, what's next? You were wrong yesterday. What do you think about the market right now? And at this moment, to be honest, and you could say, why are you making a video then? But to be honest, I don't know. It's the situation for Bitcoin right now is quite unclear, and just in general, the market seems so weird right now. I've never seen movement like this, where basically it's just pump and dump and pump, and then the whole time. I mean, it's these spikes up followed by a huge dump. So now we have a spike up. Should we expect a dump? I'm not sure. All right, the situation on the daily is probably still bearish. There's still bearish momentum here, but in general, it's kind of been neutral / bullish since the 18th of August. So I'm kind of leaning towards that Bitcoin is getting into some sort of a consolidation, but in the end, I would wait for some confirmation. All right, because right now, the volume for Bitcoin is also not that high. It's not necessarily, well, it is respecting the dollar strength index a little bit because we've seen a bit of a retracement after yesterday. We had initial jobless claims and continuing jobless claims, which were actually positive because they were lower than expected. But the results before for the initial jobless claims were revised to lower. The GDP price index was lower than expected. So altogether, dollar strength index is dropping down now. I do expect that to find support. So that would be a confirmation for more bearish momentum coming in for Bitcoin. But it's behaving strangely right now. So personally, I'm just waiting for some sort of confirmation. Like I said, if you take a look at the EMAs are kind of falling flat, all right? And usually when the EMAs are falling flat, some sort of a consolidation is coming. The ADX, though, is very high, all right? So if the ADX is very high, that means that usually there's some sort of a trend. So that would be an indication against a consolidation. So just in general, it's a bit weird. I would say that Bitcoin will test this level around 27,500 again. And the main confirmation I'm waiting for is either, and it's a Friday, so we're going to get that confirmation, I think. Friday is usually very volatile. But the thing is that one of these two levels is going to break. So either 26,850 or 27,500. And which one of those levels is going to break will determine the next movements of Bitcoin. If 27,500 breaks, then we should assume that Bitcoin will continue up to 28,000 and 28,500. And then the ADX was also right that there is still a trend. But on the other hand, if Bitcoin right now, due to the dollar strength index, which might find support today, drops down below 26,850, our main support, then we'll drop back down towards 26,200 and 26,000. And then from there, we'll see whether some sort of a consolidation is possible or whether we should expect more bearish momentum. So situation right now for Bitcoin is quite unclear, a little bit unstable, I would say even. I expect volatility because it's the end of the week today, but we'll see. All right, we'll have to wait for that confirmation in the form of a breakout. I'll try to keep you updated on that, but for now, this is my take on Bitcoin. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.